Hey, Amanda here. Today I'm going to show you how to create this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's go! Let's start with a new file, and I'm going to select 1080 by 1080 as my artboard size. So let's click that and create. Now it takes us to here. What we're going to do is create a background first to fill up the board. So you can select M on your keyboard or just the rectangle tool. Click that. Click and drag across to create a nice square. Now I'm going to just remove the stroke. So you can just select that and select none and go back into the color palette and picker and just pick your color, your background color. I'm going to choose a light orange color. Here we go. Great. And now here let's add our text to create a 3D effect. I'm going to just type out orange. So using the type tool, you can select T on your keyboard or use type on the left hand side. And for the word orange, I'm going to go to select character, move my mouse down and find my font that I'm going to use, which is, where is it? Blenny Black. That's the font that I'm choosing for today. And then go back into your select tool and right click, create outlines, hold the corner, click and hold shift and just drag outwards. And you got yourself a nice font here. Okay, so now I'm going to apply a brighter orange just so it contrasts nicely with the background. And I'm going to pick this nice vibrant orange here. Boop. All right, now we are going to go to window, go down and find 3D and materials, select that, and you'll have this pop-up come up here. Now to make it 3D, all you gotta do is select Inflate. So let's click Inflate. All right, so now we have some nice shadows going on here. What you're going to do now is go into materials, click that. It's set, leave all the default settings here and scroll down to the bottom underneath properties and start playing around with the roughness and the metallic. And to see what the render looks like, you can just select this square staircase looking thing, render with ray tracing. So just hit that. So this is what the output would look like. It's looking quite nice already, but I just want maybe a little bit of metallic in there. Want it maybe to like soften it up a little bit. Yeah, all right, so I like that. Now once this is done, let's add some shadow to create some depth to your font. So go into lighting, go into lighting, I was gonna say lightning, my bad. And then scroll down to the bottom. And what you're gonna do is just turn on shadow. So add shadow, flick that toggle button on. And then now let's play with the shadow. So you can maybe make it a bit closer, wider, ooh. And then go into softness. So I'm just going to make it a little bit soft because it's a bit harsh. Yeah. Maybe 78. Cool. I'm pretty happy with that. That looks really nice to me. So feel free to play around with the settings. And now I'm going to create the outline font that I have earlier here. So what we're going to do is select the type tool and type in orange, orange, orange. And I'm going to right click, create outlines. I'm going to find that corner, hit shift, hold and click outwards just to create a nice first line. And then all I'm going to do is just reverse swap it to create a nice little outline. And then when to click this, duplicate it, so just hold Alt, click and drag downwards. And I'm also going to maybe make this a little bit smaller so I can fit it on the side. So I'm going to select this, hold Alt, click and drag downwards. I'm going to tilt it to 90 degrees. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, hold shift and drag downwards. Then I'm going to move it to the side here, like so. And I'm going to just copy it over here by holding Alt click Shift. And that's it. That's my little poster. I hope you liked it. Bye.